Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMLA ka West Shillong constituency bat ubadeiru working president kaseng United Democratic Party uba Paul Lingdo uloong bakum kaseng kadon ya kajing ngaus kem kabaklan banapo kajayaw mauprem constituency ukertong kaseng kata uba Augusta Jerwa unra ya kajing job ha kani ka election MDC kumbanchu kudaw hangni kidan saungut ki kertong kibaya kun na kani ka constituency kibakan topi uba Augusta Jerwa na kaseng UDP uba Denzel R. Chen nakaseng VPP, uba Thomas Pasa nakaseng KNAM, bat uba Gerald Shulay nakaseng Kongres. Habakren cekilat patay kubor mentakasi ka arpuway trik urumpang arhajar arpusan, uba Paul ulaong baka jingikun kabating ha ka election kamday hapadeng ki kertong jong kiseng san pertay, kibayang persya, Henry kadey hapadeng ka jinglong kabanaladi kumnu ki kertong kilong bat kumnu kile. Ulaong ba udan ya ka jing ngaus kem baka seng UDP, Kanyalam ya ke executive committee bathamai hapo ka KHADC bat kat kum ka jinglong jingman lasngau thu ba ka UDP kan le khambha habaro ki constituency jong ka KHADC.
Well, I have always maintained that the greatest competition is not between us and any rivals, but between who we are and what we are capable of becoming. So this morning I'm very confident that we will be leading the next EC in the KHADC. Predictions and indications are that the UDP will do very well across Khasi Hills, across all the districts of the Khasi Hills areas. And here in Jayao constituency, we are super confident of making it to the top.
Well, in fact, in MP election, we have seen in most of the areas, in most of the constituencies, UDP candidates could not get much votes.
That was a different election altogether. Every election is primarily different from the other, and this time around, with the intensification of the canvassing by party leaders and cadres, and elections being voted on local issues, and with the public being sensitized about the number of challenges facing the KHADC, I'm sure that we have been able to drive home our points and we will emerge victorious.
My last question, we spoke to Kong Amplin Lingdo and she has said that in fact she is predicting that with no party, if no party gets majority in KHADC, then UDP and NPP together will form EC. So how do you see that? Because she is saying that the same thing that is followed in the state legislature will also be followed there. How do you think?
Well, I'm not jumping the gun right now. Let's see what happens on the 24th, what kind of numbers emerge, the party-wise tally, and also I should not, make up the minds of those who will be elected on the 24th. It is basically they who will have to take the call along with the party leadership. Now let's wait for it.
But is the party open for any kind of alliance if necessary?
Well, as you know, we cannot leave the council without any leadership, and nor can we leave it to the hands of the administrator, because obviously that will happen when there is no combination of parties coming together to form the EC. Then only the district administration steps in. So we would like to avoid that kind of a situation, because it would be something like inviting presidents within the state.
Are you confident enough to win the seat from this constituency?
We are super confident. We're winning by a huge margin.